shared award tends to be this year, kind of because I think there should be an MVP who's a defensive kind of player and an MVP who is an offensive kind of player, but not offensive isn't going to be rude to you or anything. Perhaps there should be a special award for that, I don't know. But anyway, so this is actually the guy's third award. Only conceding 10 goals in 8 games. It's got to be the goalkeeper. It has to be Antoine An amazing performance. And you need to go and thank your defence.
Thank you. I love my defense. Without them, I stress every game. Seriously, if they weren't this.
Do not break it.
Do not break.